Good morning, dear students. So let's start our unit number 3, that is value and data type. So what are the values and data type? So the first topic in this chapter is a character set. Okay, so character set means the alphabet, letters, some special symbols, keywords, token, identifiers, operators which we generally use to build up a Java program. So what is a character set? So a character set is a set of alphabets, letters and some special characters that are valid in Java language. The smallest unit of Java language is the character need to write Java token. Okay, Java token means all the meaningful element, means the things, small units. It can be an identifier, it can be a operator, it can be a keyword which is helpful to make a Java programs are known as tokens. These character sets are defined by unique character set. We have two type of character set, ASCII code character and Unicode characters. So we'll discuss the two in later in this chapter. So character sets, first we have letters. So letters, we have uppercase letters from A to Z. Then we have a lowercase letter from small a to Z. Okay. Digits we have from 0 to 9. Okay, operator, so we have arithmetical operator, plus, minus, multiply, divide module. Then we have a relational operator, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equals to, equals to, equals to, not equals to. Then we have logical operators, and, or, and not. Next we have delimiters. Okay, delimiters means which tell the scope, limit of any Java character set. So they can be a small bracket, opening and close, curly brackets, big brackets, semicolon, question mark, and all type of delimiters we have. Okay. So next we have the ASCII code and the Unicode character. So ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is the full form of ASCII. It uses 8-bit encoding. Okay. It uses a 8-bit code for encoding a digit number. Difference, what is the difference between them? Unicode is also a character encoding but uses variable bit coding. Okay, what is the difference between? That is, wherever I have written this difference, this is a difference between ASCII and Unicode characters. Okay, ASCII represent 128 characters. Unicode defines to the power, this is exponent, to the power 24. This is to represent only 128 character we can represent through ASCII, but larger than this we can represent through Unicode character set. Unicode is a superset of ASCII and ASCII is the subset of Unicode. Unicode represent more characters than ASCII. ASCII is stored as 8-bit bytes. Okay, 8-bit byte is used to store in ASCII. Unicode is used in byte sequence as UTF-32, not 832 and 8-bit also. ASCII is not standardized code, but a Unicode is a standardized code. Okay. So one question arises in front of us, that when we have 128 character, which is enough including all the capital A to Z, small a to Z means character set, all the digits from 0 to 9, many others are there. So why we need Unicode if we already have ASCII? So Unicode is needed because it represents a huge number of characters, more than ASCII. It is the superset of ASCII. Hence, to represent more number of characters we need Unicode when we already had ASCII, which represent only 128 characters. Okay, so if we have more than 128 characters, okay, so we have to represent them in Unicode character set. So some of the popular ASCIIs common ASCIIs I have given here. See, for digit 0 to 9 we have ASCII from 48 to 57, means 0 का ASCII है 48, फिर 1 के लिए 49, फिर 2 के लिए 50, like that way. From 0 to 9 we have 48 to 57. Next, from capital A to Z we have 65 to 90. For capital A we have 65, then capital B we have 66, capital C we have 67, like that way. From A to Z small, because it is a case sensitive language. So capital A, Java is a case sensitive language. So capital A is different from small a. So for small a, we have the fixed ASCII, that is 97. Then for B, it is 98, 99, like that way. For a blank space, we have ASCII 32. Okay. So next of the chapter we'll discuss in the next video. Okay.